What's going on? What's going on, guys? Zeno here, and today I'm going to be doing a battle with Spine Leviathan. I have put the what is it? Split? No, I don't remember it. I can't believe I don't remember it. It's not wall. It's something else, but I'm gonna put Spine Leviathan versus the defense goat himself. This is a bay I have gotten off of Thingiverse, so I just printed it out. Its combo is 0, expand, not expand. I'm forgetting a lot of stuff. It's 0, my custom frame for Draken, and guard. So we'll see who will win. Best 3 points wins. Alright, so round 1. The defense is very, very good on this bay. And the frame. But also, Leviathan's defense is good, but the stamina is not. So 1 point to this. Ah, it's cold. Okay, so round 2. Right. Leviathan takes the center, and the free spinning on the goat Beyblade is actually really good. I have not yet to see it burst. That's 2 points. But how I see this is going to be more of a spin out for all of it. So final 1, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, whoa. Come on. That was just, I didn't even see what happened. The frame, the spine armor just popped off. And the winner is the Beyblade with the ultimate defense. Okay. So that will be the end of this video. If you want to join my Discord, I'll put a link in the description down below. It's just a fun place to come and hang out, just chill and stuff. You can also do commissions to buy my bays, or like a custom bay for like you can buy a core lock, or you can buy a just a single layer or something like that. I am trying to make more money so I can get more stuff, so I can make my channel grow, like more Beyblades and camera equipment and stuff like that. I'm starting off slow, but I want to rise up and get better at this. So yeah, so if you want to just come hang out and stuff, just join my Discord if you want. And I'm gonna end the battle here. This is Zeno signing out. I mean, not battle video. This is Zeno signing out. Have a big test today.